This is so cool, and we're right outside the Capitan.
The man himself, the dude himself,
Woo!
Jeff Bridges.
Yeah! The grid isn't digital anymore. It's breaking into our world. To celebrate the upcoming release of Tron ARES, Disney has resurrected ElecTRONica right here in downtown Los Angeles. We were actually in the arena when they announced Tron ARES at D23 back in 2024. And for those who remember, this was the ultimate Tron party at Disney California Adventure over a decade ago.
ElecTRONica premiered on October 8th, 2010, and this was a Tron-themed nighttime event at Disney California Adventure, located in the Hollywoodland section of the park. This attraction featured music, dancing, and a recreation of Flynn's arcade from the Tron franchise. The ElecTRONica dance party will always have a special place in my heart. One, because I love Daft Punk. And two, I got my very first GoPro camera just 1 week before visiting Disneyland on this trip. These clips that you're watching are the very first clips I've ever filmed at any Disney park. And it's crazy to think that was 15 years ago to what I'm doing right now, making this video.
Bruh.
Obviously, people were shuffling. It was 2010 and we all remember LMFAO, right? But my favorite thing was the recreation of the Flynn's arcade from the Tron franchise. And I remember walking around this arcade and seeing the actual machine from the movie, and that was one of those core memories that I'll never forget. Fast forward 15 years later, and ElecTRONica Dance Party is coming back for one night only. This time it'll be in downtown Los Angeles at the Bellwether. Of course, Ashley had us get there early, and when we checked in, we got these awesome ElecTRONica wristbands. How cool are these? We have just entered the grid, and right when you walk in, there's gonna be a light cycle photo. Obviously, Ashley had to straddle it for everybody.
Yeah! So then you're gonna put your knees down here. Oh, there we go. Just like the ride. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm back in the game.
And we both got a drink. We got a Tron drink.
We got the Flynn. This is basically a jalapeno margarita, and it is so good. But the best part is, we get a little lighting show, and you know, what do Mouse Vibes love?
A lighting show.
Woo!
That was my Tron face. Woo!
You're such a model. Nick's a model.
That's what printed out for you. What do you think? That staring at the grid? That's the one I want, man. You sold me, man. Top one? Yes, please. That feels good.
Hello, hey! Hello, I'm Frankie Chan from ARES. First of all, I want to say thank you all for coming to ElecTRONica in celebration of Tron ARES. All of you look incredible, and the grid thanks you.
Here.
Okay, Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was loud in there. Like, super loud, like club loud. We tried our best to do a traditional vlog, but that's pretty hard to do when you're in a full-blown club. They were literally bumping music everywhere, and I still have 9-inch nails like pumping through my veins. It's pretty aggressive, I'm not gonna lie.
It was so much fun though. We had a great time, and my favorite part about it was seeing everybody's fashion and Nick letting me do his makeup. I just thought it was so much fun.
That was my Tron face. Woo!
You're such a model.
You look like Ruthie. I'll take that all day.
What you can't tell very well in this video because of all the red lighting is that I did Nick's makeup just like this. They said to dress up Tron chic, and one of the inspirations I got online was someone with that type of makeup. But I did also make him go get me in and out through the drive-thru, and 3 different In-N-Out employees did see him look like that, so. I hear your heart beat to the beat of the drum. Oh, what a thing. I'm pretty sure I'm dating Kesha, you guys. Drop it low, Kesha. Oh, get it?
But all in all, this definitely captured the vibe and essence of ElecTRONica. We had glowing drinks, dance music that's still making my ears dance. We found the Tron arcade game. Guys, we found it. 15 years later, boom, got to play it. Kind of.
Oh, you need to order it. So I'm just gonna fake play. You take photo with me? Nick got a new camera and the pictures are so fire, and he's gonna put some of them in this vlog. They're so good. I never got to go to ElecTRONica 15 years ago, and it was something that I always wish I had experienced. But the first time I was actually able to go into the grid was at a day last year around this same time with my best friend David Bond.
That my best friend.
And we went over to Magic Kingdom, and I was able to ride Tron for the very first time. And it absolutely blew my mind.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
And fast forward 1 year later, Magic Kingdom is actually doing a Tron ARES overlay on the ride. And while we're not gonna be able to go to Orlando and experience the Tron ARES overlay, we are gonna be able to take you over to Hollywood Boulevard for the Tron ARES red carpet world premiere. So David just called me that he's panicked because he read the wrong time on the invite, and we were all supposed to be here at 5 and not 6. So thank God we live close to Hollywood and Highland, but Nick is dropping me off at the Lowe's Hotel, and I'm in a tight pencil dress, and now I have to go.
Just dropping off. Thank you so much.
That's my impression of me trying to walk in this dress all the way to the other side of me, David. So thank you for dropping me off, babe.
Love you.
Thanks.
Have fun in the grid tonight.
Beep, boop, beep. I'm gonna be doing that all day like an annoying person. Bye. Walking upstairs in this dress is my nightmare. Oh yeah. Yeah. He looks so cute. He looks so cute. And as a former bandana girly, I really appreciate when someone in 2025 rocks a bandana, and it's amazing.
My mic, so I'm just gonna move this.
You didn't bring your what?
My mic. So
I didn't bring my mic either, so we're just gonna be really loud. But David, do you remember our first Tron memory together?
No, wait, on the ride?
You planned a day for us at Walt Disney World, and you surprised me with like
Oh,
Lightning
that's
Lane and
right.
Tron,
Yes,
and then we got
that's
that
right.
epic photo.
That was really awesome.
We make it look easy.
Okay, so they have like 50 photo spots. We just did the Getty one, and then back here they're gonna like turn us into someone in the grid, and then there's like some crazy robot. This is so cool, and we're right outside the El Capitan. I've always driven past these premieres, but I haven't really been a part of one, so this is really awesome. Oh my God! Oh, that robot's kind of scary. Yeah. Okay. I'm scared of the future. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, this is another one of the Tron light cycle photo situations that we're about to do. Obviously, I cannot do that in this dress. We all saw what happened earlier in this vlog in front of 100 people, so we're not going to be doing that. So I'm just going to awkwardly stand in front of it.
Oh, she wants.
We just finished another one of the photo ops, and now we're going to go get a bestie selfie on the carpet to complete the Tron story of David and I.
Just like, yeah, that's her.
Okay, we're about to go in to the Chinese theater. This is so cool.
Look at this. One more applause, please. Please. First, thank you to everyone at Disney for putting on tonight's very special show. Big thank you to Bob Iger and Alan Bergman for championing Tron ARES to the finish line. And I think all of us, feel indebted to the genius, the prowess, the history of the legendary, the man himself, the dude himself,
Woo!
Jeff Bridges.
Yeah!
Can we just stand up for 1 minute? Stand up for 1 minute. Let's pay tribute to the man himself. Give us a word, my friend. Give us a word.
This aggression will not stand, man. We must abide together, all of us. We're all in this together on this little tiny blue speck.
Amen. Amen. Okay, so you guys ready for this movie?
Before it gets crazy, but this is so awesome. What a fun event. Yeah! Okay, we just got out of the Tron ARES premiere and that was seriously so fun.
So fun.
Like that was my official first Disney red carpet for
really?
a movie. Yes, I'm so grateful that we got to do it together.
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you came with me. I was like, she's the best.
I feel so grateful to be David's +1 and I feel like I did good as a +1, right? I got all the content. Yay! I love you. And the movie was like visually stunning.
Amazing.
And
Like,
Evan
so
Peters was hot.
Yeah.
It was really hot. That was great. And it was like, for some reason, it didn't occur to me that we were at the premiere and the stars would be here. So when they walked out, I was like,
Oh my God, Jeff Bridges!
and it was just like,
That was a big
so
moment.
fun.
I didn't think I would see Jeff Bridges in real life.
Right? And he looks really good for,
looks
I think
really
he's like
good.
80 or something. Like, he looks really good. I don't know, I think he's pretty old.
We'll cut this part.
Yeah. But if you guys liked this type of vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that cheesy YouTube stuff.
Do it.
But we love you guys and thank you so much. Bye!
Bye.